Welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to use sampler on any audio and videos. According to your own crystallization and desire, you can use a sampler either it is a audio or videos. So how you will use a sampler and how you will make an effective song with high quality listenable songs. Let's see in this video tutorial, guys. So for it, guys, firstly you will have to download that is a virtual DJ. So I have already downloaded and installed in my PC, and download link I have given already below the description box, and directly you can access to there to download it from its official website, guys. It's a free of course, so of course you can head to a download blindly. Now see, guys, I'm going to open software first and foremost. Now after coming here, simply you have to drag the any song. So I will have here one video song. So let me minimize here firstly. Now see, guys, this song I have kept here. So simply I will keep here this song. Now what I will do, guys, here, see, simply here you will have the choice to use here see audio, video, and record it. So in a next video tutorial I will show you how you will make a sampler, custom sampler. But here at the moment I would like to show you, see here, audio sampler. I would like to use, yeah, video sampler. You would like to use here, some of the sampler has been given here. So for example, this sampler I would like to have on this song. Firstly I would like to show you this song C quality here. Let me firstly on a 6.8 this ones, and I will have the echo on this. Now see, when I would like to listen this song, see, I would like to show you. Now I would like to have the sampler this one. So see that this sampler I would like to impose it here. Now see, guys, here what you have to do, you can use here another sampler here also. So see how you will get this sampler. Simply here you have to come on this here. This is the sampler option has been given here. So simply you have to click here, and then you have to go in a instrument. In instrument you have to here select this here hi-hat 1, hi-hat 2. So according to your own crystallization, if you would like to have a kick, so of course you can have C. If you would like to have this one, of course now you would like to have this. So guys, according to your own crystallization, you can add any sampler on a song that it matching. So here, if you would like to close it, just simply click on here and it will be a close. So I would like to show you how you will get a final product. Let's see. So simply select this one and play, and after playing what you will do, simply go for record. Here we have a choice, one is MP3, one is a video. So according to your own crystallization, whatever you would like to have the final product, let me have here. See, guys, final product how you will get here. So simply just you have to come in a setting. In setting, just you have to click on a record here MP3 I have selected. So now I will write here anything. That is a file name. So let's see, triple H I have taken. Just I will go for here selection where I would like to save it. So see, guys, this one I would like to have on a desktop, and then I will start it to record. So see, guys, here just I will go for record it, and I will start this one. Now I will start. Now see, it has, can I click? So see guys, it has started to record here now with the sampler. So you can use here any sampler, you can add here any sampler according to our utilization that's master video song. It doesn't matter either it is audio or video, of course you can have guys here. So let's see, I will close here and I will just let me see the final product. So this is guys here, so I would like to show you this final product mp3. Let's see. Now see guys, so this is an easy way according to, let me just insert the mic here. So guys, this is to use a sampler by using this tool. So if it is a useful video, then please don't forget like and subscribe to my channels, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for enhancing the knowledge in IT sector field guys. So this is all about. Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.